Get human readable version of file size. A function to return human readable size from byte size. How to do this?
Addressing the above too small a task to require a library issue by a straightforward implementation, using f-strings, so Python 3.6+. Supports. All currently known binary prefixes, negative and positive numbers, numbers larger than 1000 yottabytes, arbitrary units, maybe you like to count in gigabits. Example. By Fred Serrera.
A library that has all the functionality that it seems you're looking for is Humanize. Humanize.naturalsize seems to do everything you're looking for. Example code, Python 3.10. Output.
The following works in Python 3.6+, is in my opinion, the easiest to understand answer on here, and lets you customize the amount of decimal places used.
There's always got to be one of those guys. Well, today it's me. Here's a one-liner, or 2 lines if you count the function signature. If you need sizes bigger than an exabyte, it's a little bit more gnarly.
I have a